With print on demand, there are 1,000 different products that you can design for. And surprisingly enough, the top choice of most print on demand businesses is to start designing for t-shirts, which you can still make $1,000 profit a month with just t-shirts alone, which I have done and many other print-on-demand business owners have done as well. However, what I would suggest if I were to restart my Etsy store is choosing a different product type that isn't t-shirts, because there's many different products out there, many different ways to make an income online with print-on-demand, and I wish I would have looked into all of these other product types sooner in my print-on-demand business. With that being said, that goes into the topic of today's video, which is 5 different product types that you can earn $1,000 a month in. When I say $1,000, I'm talking profit here. And I hope this video helps those of you who are designing for t-shirts and maybe you're not getting sales. Maybe the market is too saturated in the specific niche and product type you're in. And maybe it's a good time to look into making designs for other products. So hopefully these products will help you in brainstorming on what to create next to earn your next $1,000 a month. Now, before we get into this video, I don't want to harp on t-shirts and print on demand because I have earned over $1,000 a month on selling t-shirts with my print on demand and Etsy business alone. However, I did want to give you all different types of products that you can design for that you have a higher profit margin on, and you can earn $1,000 much easier than selling 20 to 30 plus t-shirts a day to get the same profit of a different item that has a higher profit margin that you can sell 10 items a day with. Hopefully that makes sense. So today's video is sponsored by Printify. And this is super exciting as always to have them sponsor me. I did want to say that most of the pricing today will be based on Printify premium pricing. And I really think this is probably one of the best subscriptions and types of monthly memberships that you can have to really reduce your costs as a print on demand business owner. Having Printify premium knocks off a few dollars on every single order that you get from a customer, which can equate to hundreds of dollars in savings if you have a very high volume Etsy and print on demand store like myself. So I can't stress enough to definitely look into Printify Premium, and you get 30 days for free if you use the code Heather30 when you are checking out. The link will be all in the description of this video today. So the first product that I have to show you all is, first of all, a candle. And this is a super cute candle. It smells really good. I know you guys can't smell this, but it's definitely worth getting a sample of. This smells almost like lavender and clean linen, but there's so many other different types of scents you can find on Printify. And what's really nice about this, it says wild and free, and I know it's kind of hard to see, but it is almost a very outwards type of print on the outside of it. The colors are so vibrant, and this is just such a cute candle. I love this candle and the way it came out. This is a really nice candle, and Printify offers a few different types of candles on their website. I would definitely check it out. The pricing for candles on Printify starts at $10.75, and these retail value on Etsy are $24.99. That's some of the lowest prices I've seen for candles. So for these candles specifically, you are getting a profit of $14 per candle. Now, that's of course including if you're using Printify Premium and you're offering no free shipping. If you're offering free shipping, shipping for candles generally runs around $4 to $5. So definitely factor that into your pricing if you have a special offer on your Etsy store, such as free shipping over $35. For me, talking from personal experience, I think candles are just such a great gift to get people. I'm definitely a candle gift giver. I personally love buying the funny candles, especially for like funny coworker candles or funny best friend candles, mom candles, things like that. I think these candles go a really, really long way. So highly suggest looking into selling candles as a different type of print-on-demand product to sell. The next item that I have to show you all is wine tumblers. Wine tumblers are such a nice type of gift, again, to give to maybe a bridesmaid, maybe a bride, maybe a mom, maybe a best friend, maybe really anyone. There's so many people you can give a gift of a wine tumbler for, and the really neat feature about this wine tumbler that Printify offers is that it has a lid at the top, and also on top of that, this specific wine tumbler comes in 3 different colors. It comes in a matte white shade, a black matte, and also a stainless steel option, which are all really, really neat and very almost expensive looking wine tumbler options that Printify offers. So you can offer these specific types of tumblers for a little bit higher just due to the high quality of these specific wine tumblers. There are 2 wine tumblers that Printify offers. The one that I have is from Polar Camel, and it goes for $12.00 on Printify's website. And again, that's with Printify Premium. This is a 12-ounce wine tumbler, and on top of that, you can sell this type of wine tumbler for $20 to $30 plus. It just depends on your specific niche and who your competitors are when you are pricing, but generally, when you're pricing anything, what I suggest is staying in the mid-range. I did see a lot of tumblers that were around $15 all the way up to $30, so a safe place to price your product for wine tumblers would be around $20 to $25, so you can still see a nice profit at the end of the day. With that being said, you will be looking at a profit margin of about $7 per wine tumbler, which is very good. It's, again, better than a t-shirt. T-shirts are generally about $5 of profit margin, so it's really a nice profit margin item to sell on your Etsy store. So the third product I have to share with you is a cosmetic bag, and these cosmetic bags are super, super adorable. You can put so many different designs on these. This sample design I have is just simple sunflowers to kind of show you how well and how vibrant the colors are on this specific cosmetic bag. These bags come with a zipper, and they are pretty wide as far as the inside goes. So on Printify's website, there are 2 different types of cosmetic bag providers. One is Printed Mint, and this bag specifically is from Print Logistic. Printed Mint is a really great print provider as well. I would suggest them. However, the production prices of Printed Mint versus Print Logistic is a little bit of a difference that you might want to consider when choosing who you use for your cosmetic bags. For example, Printed Mint, I believe their production fees are about $12 and Print Logistic is $4. So the clear winner would of course be Print Logistic, and that is this exact print provider of the bag I have in my hand here. However, what I would suggest is maybe looking into Printed Mint as well, because they have a cute zipper on their cosmetic bag that's almost a rose gold color, and if you're specifically selling in the bridal niche or bachelorette party niche, that would be a really, really cute product type that you could design for your potential customers as well. The production fee for this specific cosmetic bag is $4.17, and these cosmetic bags sell specifically for $9.99 to $12.99, so you can see a profit of about $5 plus. Again, that's just dependent on how you price your item, and make sure that you have a profit at the end of the day. The fourth product that is probably the best product in this whole entire video. Are you guys ready for it? This is so exciting. The fourth product is a hard case suitcase. Whoa! Guys, let me just say, this is legit. Like, this is strong. This is sturdy. This suitcase is the best suitcase I have. And that says a lot, because I have a Minnie Mouse suitcase that doesn't really protect my items, but this thing is like literally military grade suitcase. Like, cannot say enough. And I'm going to show you guys how this looks and how big this is. But I feel like I work on QVC right now. Like, this suitcase is incredible. And the pricing is even more incredible. The pricing for this suitcase is $92.93 with Printify Premium. The shipping for this suitcase gets even better. It's $6.29 per suitcase, meaning that if you have Printify Premium, that's about $100 you're paying for production fees. However, I know that sounds like a lot, guys, but think of this. If you're paying $100 for production fees, generally you sell suitcases like these specifically for $150 at minimum. So that means that you have a profit margin of $50 plus. Guys, that's literally the highest profit margin I have seen besides jewelry for print on demand. And if you are looking for something to sell, and if you wanted to do a one product Shopify store, suitcases are your answer. If you're looking to go on Shopify, even Etsy, it's just such a high profit margin. And I cannot recommend enough to you guys to look into selling suitcases because it is a very high quality one. You can sell this type of suitcase for close to $200 because it's just such a high quality suitcase. And I'm going to show you guys why. This is a suitcase. And I posted a TikTok about this suitcase. I do want to say that this Printify logo does not come with the suitcase. This is just all blank if you had no design on it. I had a lot of people ask me that on my TikTok, just so you guys know, does not come with that logo at all. Since this was a sample order with Printify, that's why it just has that logo on it. But as you can see, the vibrancy of this specific design is so nice. And the quality of this is one of those types of designs that you can do the crazy colors with. You can really play around with a design on this type of luggage because this has a very beautiful print and it comes out so vibrant for your customers. I think ordering samples of this really is nice because this is a really nice travel suitcase, especially if you're going somewhere for a weekend or a business trip or anything like that. Suitcases like these are so nice to have and they really protect your stuff. With that being said, we're gonna open this up and see what's inside. So guys, we have our suitcase here. We're gonna open it up and I'm gonna show you how high quality this is, and I am eating my hair at this point. I'm not good at YouTubing. I just film in front of my camera and talk. Literally my life. Anyways, we're gonna get into this. So, my gosh, I got so dizzy doing that. So guys, some things I want to talk about with this suitcase before we get started is the way this is shipped from Personalized Luggage. The production partner that ships these, again, is Personalized Luggage, and they ship these with such high standards and high protection on the product itself. This product came in a cardboard box, and on top of that, as you can see, there is plastic around the handles. I already took off the front handles, but just to give you some sight on how this looks like on top, there was a plastic cover covering here. There was also a plastic cover on this as well. However, again, I took it off already. As you can see, on the side here, there is a lock as well, and that is one of the coolest features of this luggage. That's one of my favorite parts of this luggage as well. And then my second favorite feature is these wheels rotate always. So that's something that I look for on any luggage I purchase. And then to top it all off, this is a hardcover. So this is just super sturdy. It will protect your items inside, and that's just like the best part of this luggage. So besides that, we're gonna open this bad boy up and I will show you exactly all that's in it. As you guys can see, even the zipper is covered in plastic to protect the metal. It's just such nice packaging that makes this even more of a luxurious feel to it, and that's why you can price this so high. So guys, I wanted to show you how nice this suitcase is and how impressed I am with this suitcase, because not only does it have the wheels that can turn in any direction and the lock outside, this also has different compartments in the suitcase itself that I've not seen in even the luggage I've purchased. And as you guys can see, this has two little dividers, and you can put like toiletries in some of these and different like socks and other things in these other compartments. So it's such a high quality suitcase, and I really can't stress that enough. And even in the bottom here, there's a zipper area for anything else. Maybe you want to protect other clothing from your hair shampoo breaking out and getting everywhere on your luggage. You have it all protected, or your specific items protected, by putting it in underneath this little area here. Also guys, the part I forgot to mention is that the handle has 2 height extension as well. So as you guys can see, this is the tallest it goes. That's the second level, and then it snaps back in. It has that top handle that you can just pull it up as well. So guys, this last one is my favorite print-on-demand product I have found, and I really hope that you guys are excited as I am about this. So the last one is a little teddy bear. And I didn't even know that Printify sold these until Printify sent me this little teddy bear as a sample for this video. And I thought this was the cutest thing ever. And this is like super, super soft. I think this is a perfect gift for expecting mother, maybe a baby, maybe a newborn's first birthday. There's so many things that you guys can do with a little teddy bear. You can create a whole store, honestly, off of little print-on-demand teddy bears. So this is super cute. Highly recommend looking into these as well. The pricing for this specific product is $12.64 normally, and the shipping for this product is $4.80. The retail value that I would price this teddy bear at is about $19 plus, depending again on the niche and your competition. The profit that you should expect to see is over $5 per teddy bear that you sell. And what's really neat on Printify is they have 2 options of different types of teddy bears. This one is specifically a sheep, but the other one is a real teddy bear. And these are just really great ideas for maybe get well presents, or again, first birthdays, second birthdays. And you could also do personalized gifts and have someone write whatever they want on the front t-shirt of the teddy bear. This is the last thing I'm gonna say about this specific product, but the one thing that I really, really love, and I know you all will love as well, is especially if you design for t-shirts, just imagine designing little mini t-shirts. That's all you're doing with these bears. You're designing mini t-shirts for these bears. The bears come as such, and you just make the little clothing for them basically. And there's 10 different colors on Printify's website that you can choose from for the shirt. So this is such a cute print-on-demand product, guys. I can't get over it. Besides that, guys, that's going to be all for this video today. Don't forget to get that 30 days free of Printify Premium using Heather30 again down in the description below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and comment with any future video suggestions. I try to write them all down and put them in queue for my next future upcoming videos. Besides that, stick around for my blooper reel, and I'll see you all in my next video here, guys. I have to fix this lighting. I'm going to try to focus it a little bit. Oh gosh, I feel like the 2000s type of YouTuber. I would not make it as a hand model, I tell you what. $5 plus, which is super good. That's not super good. This is a better quality suitcase. I hope I just didn't knock my mic. I know that sounds like I can't speak. So guys, I do not YouTube much, and I don't know what I'm doing with my life.